Period.
1-5.
Period.
You already know what it is.
Exactly.
Hello, taste the fun.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Guess what? Well, I already know. You see the thing is, I always say guess what, and then I was like, oh, but the title is there, so you guys already know. I am on my way to Negril with the bestest.
We're going to have fun content.
Yeah, we're heading to Negril. We're going to, I don't know if it's pronounced Tingalayas. It's Tingalayas or Lias? It's L-A-Y, so I was like, is it Lay?
Where's the word?
Y'all see the name on the screen,
yeah,
in the title. We're heading to that boutique hotel for the next 3 days. Today's Wednesday, and we're going to be there until Friday. And we're about to have a great time in Negril. It's been a while since I've been in Negril. Have we been to Negril together?
Yeah. Remember Ocean?
Right, that was when we did like a little group
time.
thing. That was fun. That was a good time.
That was a really good time.
But yeah, so we're back. And that was a while ago.
Like
that was like,
year.
no, it wasn't
Not
this year.
Was last year?
Was it
Like
last year?
December?
It was a long time
It
ago.
was before Christmas. I think it was actually November. Of like, oh my god, what if it was the same time? Exactly a year ago or something.
It was, yeah, because it was a long time ago. But I don't even think, was it them time day? Because
I love this. I did a video. You did a video too. Wait,
I
you posted
did.
a video?
Yes.
So yeah.
But yes,
But you posted a video months later.
No, did I?
Yes, you posted a video.
No, that wasn't the one that I posted months later. I think it was something else that I did end up posting it. I don't think it was that one.
Tell the people to like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Period. But it's great to be going back to Negril. It's been a while, so kind of get some time to explore. The weather is great today. I was kind of worried because it's been raining since Monday. Yeah, even though I love the weather, the rainy weather, I loved it, but we need some sunshine and clear skies for Negril. I'll show you guys. Yeah,
I really wish we were like reaching at this time. If we had left
same. This is our second day here at Tingalayas. You would have seen me try to give you guys a room tour. Now that you guys have seen the room, it's pretty dark inside the room. The way the rooms are situated, it's kind of like under the trees, as you guys can see. So because of that, it's pretty dim, like there's not a lot of light coming in. So it's really hard to film inside the room, but I hope that that little snippet that you guys saw was like enough. I'm gonna try and see if it gets a lot brighter during the day, and then maybe I'll film some more then. Girl, in the room is so dark. Like, how did you do a room tour? I tried. Say good morning. Want me on the pod? I was like, look who it is, by the way. Jenna was here. Oh, she went up.
Yeah, she is back in.
Yeah. What are the odds that we're here at the same time?
Right? At the same time.
I love that for us. And Bekana, of course, vlogging. You had breakfast already, right? Oh no? Fruits look nice though.
She's making breakfast.
Oh, this is great. It's the hospitality for me. So currently I am like walking around the property. Just had breakfast, so I'm walking around the property now, just kind of looking for some spots to take reel and TikTok content and photos for Instagram and TikTok. I'm really trying to get my TikTok game up. I mean, Bekana is always on my case about it, and she's right. So I'm really just looking for spots. The place is beautiful grounds, and yeah, so look at this right here. This is nice. Okay, so I'm headed to the pool area. This is like right across the road from like where our rooms are. I'm gonna shoot some content for Afros. This is what's left of my makeup after sweating off the whole of my face trying to shoot content. Bekana is currently like trying to do a drone shot right now. I don't know if you guys can see the drone, but yeah, I changed my clothes. I forgot most of my swimsuits, but I'm gonna see if I can finesse it on this trip. But you guys saw the pool area. It's so cute. Love it. It's salt water, by the way. It's gorgeous. I love it because it's cliffside. I love a cliffside pool. Feels so so good. My hair's lifting. Oh well. It's shallow, you can't drown. And I can't.
Boom, boom, boom. Wait, no, what's
Oh, zoom, zoom.
Zoom,
Zoom. My heart go boom, boom. My supernova girl.
Interplanetary interstellar.
Hey. My singing is, hi, baby. Come here. Hey. Hey. You're so cute.
Old.
Maybe. No, she's not that old. She don't have a beard yet. Hey, baby. Hey. Very playful. Big boy. You're a big boy. Okay, so it has been raining for like the past 2 hours. I feel like it's still drizzling a little bit and the sun kind of peeked back out, so we're about to go on tiki upon the sea, which is so exciting. I mean, if you guys saw, well, watch some of my Negril vlogs back then, I've been on tiki once before and it was such a fun time, so I'm really excited. Are you excited, Bakara? I'm so excited. Such a fun experience. If you ever come to Negril, hands down, one of the things you must do. Like, but do the I think I have a morning cruise, which is not for me. I'm not a morning person, but I'm sure it's lovely. But we're gonna be doing the sunset cruise, which is the one that I like, and it's kind of like a booze cruise. They usually serve rum punch and stuff, but seeing that I haven't been in Negril in a bit, I don't know like what has changed, because I haven't been to Negril or been on tiki in probably a year and a half or more. I'm not sure. So yeah, we're running a little bit late because they leave at 5, so we have like less than 15 minutes to get to Margaritaville. So yeah, get excited, guys. filming TikToks right now.
Wait.
No, pass the phone to the girl that been on the phone.
What are we doing?
And pass the phone to.
Girl,
As in, you ask him that food already?
there's nobody there.
Hello? Because sometimes you have to call and be like on the inside.
We called from a step under the car. We called.
Wow, that's crazy.
It's
Crazy. We came for food. Fries, how you have disappointed us. Disappointment. Yes, it's giving. Yeah. Yeah. Come again. Now you're kicking away. Yeah, giving. Love the outfit.
Megan Thompson is giving my mom.
Yeah. The outfit.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna come and need it. She said it's the rum punch from the booze cruise. It's over here. From the booze cruise today.
Damn.
This is my outfit. We're going to Matthew's.
Call me messy because I kicked it that far.
We're going to Matthew's. And then we're gonna go to, we don't know yet. We have plans, but we don't know what gonna happen. So stay tuned. Bye. We have arrived. So dark.
Guys, Matthews got a whole facelift. Like, they have a whole terrace on the outside now. It's actually crazy. It looks so good. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, Matthews. And they have outside seating here. You know where this reminds me of? Marketplace.
It does. Yeah.
It's giving Marketplace. And then they have like the painted wall there, you can take pictures. Okay, Matthews with the upgrades.
It's a man.
Had to run to Chill Pops real quick and get a strawberry popsicle. Photo shoot agora não, na barra.
heading to Jungle nightclub. Oh my god! And the one there, what over there, so with the drink in our hand. What? I missed it. After hours. Do we have to pay the 4 cents? Morning guys, it's our last day here at Tingalayas and I'm about to have breakfast. It's kind of late. It's like currently, hold on, as I was saying, I'm about to have breakfast. I like that they have like a little setup here. They have like hot coffee and you have tea as well, and a kettle to make your tea. They also have like bread if you want to make toast and stuff, jam, peanut butter, everything, like a little station in the back here, which is really nice. So other than the breakfast that they give you, you have the option to like just have that, which is nice. Okay, so we're getting ready to head out now. We're about to leave Tingalayas. It's our last day. Yo, I really love my earrings. Love them. They're from a woman-owned business, black woman-owned business, by the way. Love them. But yeah, this is my outfit. I want to take a picture in this on the road when we're heading back into Kingston. Just did my hair. It's a little more melted today. Yesterday it wasn't so melted because I was sweating so much. I'm sweating again today, but at least, you know, like whenever I need to get like a new wig glue. If you guys know any good wig glues, please let me know, because the one that I use, whenever it's drying, if it doesn't dry completely and then I start sweating, it turns white and it's really annoying. But anyways, we're gonna head out. It's raining ish. It keeps coming down, but it really doesn't matter. We're gonna head to Patsy's and then I don't know where else to get some content on our way back into Kingston. And yeah, we'll see what we get up to. Okay, Bakana just brought the car back here, so my trusty suitcase, which you guys should all know by now. She's so cute, isn't she? And my bag that I got from I'll put their name on the screen. I don't know why the name is slipping me right now, but I love this bag. Hey girl, it's a vlogception. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring these to the car right now. I'm gonna put this in the front. Well, actually in the back. This is a car. It's a rental, by the way, from Drive Unique, but I'm gonna be posting some content for them on my page. So if you see the content come up, please engage with it. Thank you. My suitcase look, no, I need to take a picture of my suitcase. She's so photogenic. Look at her. Whew. My hair is giving beach hair. It's so like, it's so puffy. I'm always sweating out my hair. It's so hot, so I'm always sweating it out. So even yesterday after I curled it and everything, it was a mess at the end of the day. I don't know, I can't do this hair thing. This is why I always wear curly hair, because wavy hair and straight hair is not for me. Too much work. But anyways, Bakana is coming, so I'm going to record a video for the car sponsor and I'll be back. Yes, anything for the content, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna record a video out here while she's coming out. The corner running across the road. Ah. Stop at Patsy's. The rain is coming. Just making a pit stop at Kenny's Italian. Been a while since I've been here. One of my favorite spots in Negril. Ooh, this place is cute. This is new. This is cute. Ooh. This is cute. This is very cute. Hello.